how to turn off theft detection lock on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. So you will see security and privacy is here. So click on security and privacy. Now here, so click on lost device protection. So after click on lost device protection, theft protection is here. So click on theft protection. So if you want to turn off theft detection lock, so turn off this button. So use pin and fingerprint. So after turn off this button, you will see theft detection lock is turned off. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn off theft detection lock on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.